In today's video, we will walk you through step 6 of setting up your preferences inside of Moneo Cloud. We'll review how to onboard your sensors and explain InfoPoints usage for your AE2100 Gateway. So, let's get started. Make sure your I/O link master's IP address, Ethernet port 1, is set within the range of the sensor network. Within your Moneo Cloud instance, navigate to the Device Management tile. Use a network cable attached to your IoT port on the I/O link master and plug it into Ethernet port 1. You can directly add a device by searching for the IP address. Click on the plus icon on the row of the AE2100. Select the device type as IFM device IoT core in the dropdown. Add the device's IP address in the IP hostname field. Adjust the port accordingly. By default, IFM's I/O link masters are set to port 80. Alternatively, you can scan for the device within the network by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. Moneo Cloud will look for every I/O link master within the network range. Click Execute Scan to rescan for devices. Onboard your desired device by clicking on the plug-in socket icon. You will now see your I/O link master under the AE2100 in the Physical Topology tab. Likewise, you will see all other connected sensors. Drag and drop the data sources to design your topology. In your topology tree, toggle on any data you wish to see. Toggling on data sources will consume InfoPoints. Data can be configured to stream in 3 categorical intervals: fast, medium, or basic. The data array can be adjusted by hovering your mouse over the sensor in Device Management. Under the Actions field, you can select Device Info and Data Streams. This takes us directly to the sensor and allows us to adjust the frequency of the data sent to Moneo Cloud. Basic means your data interval is every 60 seconds, and you will consume 1 info point. Medium means an interval every 10 seconds, consuming 6 info points. And fast will use 1-second intervals, which will consume 60 info points. The data aggregation can be selected when you use a frequency greater than 1 second. You can send the last known value, the minimum value, within that interval, the maximum value, or the average value across that frequency interval. Select Save. Additionally, you can select Back. And here at Data Streams and Info Points, you can even select all sensors, adjust 2 data sources, and you can make a change to that frequency and aggregation all at the same time. You'll see here that affects our available info points correctly, so you know what adjustments you are making. Select Save. You have now set up your interval rates for data to Moneo Cloud, and you know the available info points you have left. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.